Hi everyone, welcome to Rock Your Foundation. My name is Jody Stein. Come on in, say hello. If you don't see the red live button, just comment #replay so I can come back and thank you for watching. I am going to do a curly hair tutorial for you today, and I am going to be using this curling iron. It is a Kristin Ess. It's Kristin Ess. I believe that's how you spell her name. It is from Target. Right here on the side of it. Yes, Kristiness, Kristin Ess curling iron. And I got this from Target.com. Somebody that I follow on Instagram, she used this curling iron and her curls were perfect. So I wanted to try it and I love this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. This is how I sleep every single night. I have this little satin scrunchie that I put this little top knot in my hair because it gives, I'll show you. Once you take it out, it gives you like the perfect amount of volume. It gives you a little bit of lift and it just works really, really well for sleeping. Okay, it is a little wonky today, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and show you guys exactly how I use this curling iron. Hi Sue, hi Kay, thanks for hopping on. First, I'm going to use this Lange Marula Oil Hydrating Mist. I'm just going to kind of spritz that through my hair and comb through, and that is going to help minimize the damage that I get from the curling iron. So I'm just going to spray that in my hair and just kind of finger it through, just like so. Okay. And I'll show you guys as I go. I'll show you guys some of my other favorite hair products that I use. Okay, so I like to start on this side first, and I'm gonna look in my mirror. Hopefully you guys are gonna be able to tell what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna start by taking little sections and I pull it out, turn it, and let it drop. And I'm just going to kind of continue to do that by taking these just sections of hair. How is everyone today? Happy Friday. It feels like we're going to get a little break in the heat, which is really nice. It's been so hot lately. I'm kind of ready for fall clothing. Once school starts, then I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for leggings and boots and long sweaters. All right. So I just kind of go through my hair just like that, and I'm gonna grab some of these sections right here now, smaller sections. So you can see I pull it out a little bit and then I curl it in. And then drop it down. Now when I get to the back of my hair, I don't curl it all the way down. I feel like it's too short in the back and then it really kinks up on me, and I don't really like that look. So I just kind of stay on like this top part of my hair. I'm just going to grab some of these back pieces now, but stay on just that top layer and don't really go underneath too much. Okay, and then I grab this section right here. So you just basically are grabbing sections of hair and then and just curling them back. Now this one is going to give me a little bit of lift in the crown of my head. Okay, just like that. Now I have more hair on this side of my head than this side, just because of where I part it. So what I like to do is I go in and I take this section and I just bring it up and clip it down. Okay. And then I start working on this side of my hair. It definitely works best for me to curl my hair on day 2. So after I wash my hair, then I'll usually just wear it straight. And then on day 2, which would be today, that is usually when I like to curl my hair because it has a little bit more texture to it and it holds the curls a lot better. Okay. So I do also have a flat iron, and the one I have is from Lange. It's the little Rev. And you can also curl your hair with a flat iron. I used to do that all the time until I got this curling iron, and I love this one. It's like the right width. I'm not even sure. I'm thinking that's maybe like 1.5 inch barrel, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Okay. Just keep going through. And again, I don't do much with my back because it's shorter in the back and I don't want those curls to be like nice, like I don't want them to be super tight. Okay, now I'm gonna bring this section down. I'm gonna part it again one more time. I just go through like that and clip that section down. And then I just grab pieces. Now I'll show you guys what a trick that I do when I get to this part of my hair. I will start alternating the way the direction of the curls, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so now I'll take this section and I'll actually curl it the opposite way. So I'm gonna take the iron this way, pull it out, turn it towards my face instead of away from my face. Okay, that's just gonna give a little bit of more texture. This iron gets super, super hot, so you have to be really, really careful. I've cut my fingers a couple times and it's hot, so it will definitely scorch you, so be very careful. I have it set at 400. I believe there's only 2 heat settings on this one. It's 365 and then 400. So for me, I just like the hotter heat setting. Okay. Now I'm going to take this piece and turn it towards my face. And then I got 2 more little sections here. Now, normally if I'm doing my hair, I will let these curls set for a good 5 minutes before I do anything to them, because you want them to cool down and it's going to hold the curl that much better. But for the purpose of this video, I won't be making you wait. I won't be making you wait 5 minutes. Okay. So that is how I curl it. And then what I like to do is I have this SGX NYC. It's called the Bodyguard Protective Texture Spray. I got this from Amazon. I've seen it at Target a long time ago, and now I never see this particular one anymore. So I just grab it from Amazon because I really, really like it. And it's the only place I can find it. So I will just kind of go through my hair, lift up these curls, and spray this texture spray all kind of through it. Okay. And then you just kind of let that set. It looks a little crazy. You just kind of let that set. And then I just go through my hair and I start piecing out those curls with my fingertips. And I just play with it until I get it the way I want. But you guys can you get the basic idea of how I curl it, what products I use. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Again, this is called a Kristin Ess curling iron, and I got it from Target.com. I'm not sure if they carry it in the store or not. But you can definitely get it online. So I just kind of keep playing with it. And then also what I like to do is go through this crown, this like back part here. And I take this little texturizing comb. And what I will do is I will just back comb it just a couple of times, just to give me that lift. And then I'll go through with some hairspray. This is my favorite hairspray. It's from Kenra. It's a volume super hold finishing spray. It's number 25. I get this from Ulta. So that's one of my favorite hairsprays. And then also, if I need a little bit extra lift, there is this Lange Stardust Dry Shampoo Powder. This works really well just to give you some added texture and lift, and that works really well on your hair too. So sometimes I will spray that in, and I'll show you. It's just like this little poof of air. I'll show you guys here because I don't want to put it in my hair today. So see, it's just like this little dry shampoo dust. It's like fairy dust for your hair. All right, so that is how I curl my hair. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. And happy Friday. Don't forget that it is Freebie Friday. I am going to do another giveaway over on my personal page, Jody Gale Stein. So make sure you keep checking my page for that. I'll post that sometime this afternoon. And all you need to do is tag a friend and comment shared, like my business page, this business page right here, Rock Your Foundation, and then share the post. And then you will be entered to win my Friday freebie giveaway. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I will see you later. Bye-bye.